everyone, today we're going to be making capsules. These are turmeric capsules and they are brilliant for anti-inflammatory problems. They're also got loads of other health benefits. It's great to just go online and look up the health benefits of turmeric. Today we will be adding, this is ground black pepper because it helps the absorption into the body of the turmeric, making it work better. So this is what we use together in the capsules. Now, also you do need to eat it with food as it is a fat soluble product. These are little gelatine capsules that I bought. It's a size 0. I'll show you the packet. This is the packet here. They're size 0. It's to create your own, and when filled they have around 270 to 680 milligrams in each capsule. That obviously depends on the density of what you're putting into your capsule. So if it's a light herb, it'll be lower. As the turmeric is quite dense and fine powder, it's probably going to be on the higher side. Now also the turmeric powder I bought is literally just from my local supermarket. You can buy organic ones as well. You can also buy it online. So it's a way of making it a really cheap product, because if you buy it already made up in the capsules, it probably won't have the black pepper in, and it is also really expensive. And this way is so cheap, and it's actually better for you because it doesn't have extras like anti-caking agents and stuff in with it. I've put some gloves on because this product does stain, so don't use it on any white surfaces unless you're going to protect the surfaces first, and I wouldn't wear white clothes either. This product will stain. So we'll mix in the black pepper. You don't need huge amounts of black pepper, but this is what helps the absorption into the body. So we just mix that around, and we can start making our capsules. You can get like little machine type things to fill the capsules, but they're really quite fiddly and they do make a bit of a mess. And this, just making your own by hand, you know, is actually quite easy and it doesn't take too long. So when you open the capsule, you've got a large end and a small end. We're going to use the large end to collect the turmeric in. So we just push it down, just keep pushing it down till you feel, you can sort of feel when it gets full because the pressure, and then just pop the lid on, and there you go, there's one capsule. It's really that quick and that easy. So again, you just open it up, use the large end and just press down into your mixture, and you'll feel when it gets compact because you can't press down anymore. There we go. And again, open your capsule and I'll show you it pressing down. If you press down once, it's not totally full, so you just keep pressing it into the mixture and then you'll feel it. You can sort of feel it compact. There you go, and it is really that easy to make your own turmeric and black pepper supplement capsules. So I'm going to carry on filling this, and then I'll have my jar ready, and I take one in the morning, one at night, and there we go. I recommend taking them. They're really good health benefits. Just look it up online. There's loads of videos about health benefits, and they're worth making yourself because you save loads of money. Not my normal DIY, I know, but I just thought I'd bring this to you because it's just a great tip of how to get a cheap supplement. Right, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs.